Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you a quick app review. If you want to change your notification panel to the new Android 10, then you can download the app called PowerShade and you can change the notification panel to the latest Android 10 style. So after downloading the app, you can get it on the Play Store. I'll provide the link in the description below. So you have to grant 4 permissions. After installing it, you can see you have to just hit it on the not running option and it will give you 4 options and you have to apply the permission. Yeah, so it's done. So after giving all the permission, you can start using it, and it also requires as you can see, location. So the style has been changed to latest Android 10, so it looks amazing and clean. So in this app you can also change the you get different settings. Also you can change the layout, like you can change the color of the icons, you can change the shape, the teardrop, many styles are there. So you can, as you can see here, the style has been changed. You can change the color, you can change the grid columns, and some settings require pro version, so you can activate the pro version as well. So and in the free app, that all the settings you get that are amazing. So you can change the tile color as well, notification shade, so notification slider. You can also apply the background image in the notification background. So for applying it you require the pro version. You can get the extras also. So this is an amazing app. If you like it, do download the app. I'll provide the link as I said before, and do drop down a comment if you like this new setting, new look of your notification panel. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thank you.